Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Lumenray in Fish It Roblox. So if you're searching for the most beautiful glow in the oceans, the Lumenray is a legendary catch in Fish It new update, and this rare creature is a must-have for your index. And here I'm going to show you the exact requirements and also the best spot to cast your line. So the Lumenray is one of the new creature in the new Fish It Underwater City update, and it is a legendary tire catch, and it can be caught in any time and also any weather. I only caught one, and this is my spot where I got it. So I fish in these locations right here in the docks, and I'm using the Almond Road with Singularity bait. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the things.